So in the series of surprises of pregnancy, here comes the next video. Next video is about what? We have seen few of the awesome facts about pregnancy. Like how this little one stays wonderfully inside water for 9 months. How this little one has an ability to connect to his father or her father right from being in the womb. How wonderfully they understand how to grow beautifully, their internal system, their digestive system and all of it. So here we go with the next surprises of pregnancy. I always say, for 6 months of pregnancy, the weight of your child is hardly 500 to 600 grams. But what all is developed? Brain developed, lungs developed, bones are there, hands are there, fingers are there, facial features are there, internal organs are developed, almost every bit is developed. Yes, it has to develop little more to function on its own. But an individual within 6 months, very little weight, but so much of progress. And then actually 7 months onwards, child shifts completely into putting on weight. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about how basically child is taking position for birth. If any one of you are tell, if you are not into regular exercise, get up, let's start with a 41-kilometer marathon. You will say you're mad or what? We are not doing. On the other hand, if I tell all of you, from today onwards for next 365 days, that's 1 year, we'll practice every day in the morning to head towards a 41-kilometer marathon. Almost all of you will be able to complete it with me. It's the same thing with the child. Never expect that this little one is going to decide, let's go, it's my due date, it's my time to get delivered, and child will just fix itself. But it's not going to be like that. So every child goes through a warm-up. So take the position. No, this doesn't look good. Oh, no, this is not right. This seems to be perfect. And that's how the entire thing goes. So right from within, a child understands there is a preparation that is needed for something that is coming. And last but not the least surprise, in the entire process of being born or going through the delivery, child goes through 80% of the work and mother has a contribution of 20% of work. So all of us put together, let's respect this 80% from the child and give our 20% at its best. So if there is no medical emergency or a medical need, or even if a doctor is okay that all parameters are normal, give all together support to your little one and experience your delivery with a lot of confidence and courage. Thank you so much all of you for watching this series. Subscribe to the channel, lot more is coming your way. Bye.